guys, it's Creative Conquest and today is the 5th part of our Photoshop course. So let's open up Photoshop, create a new document, 1280 by 720 pixels. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can place images inside of a selection. So select any selection you want, like I select elliptical marquee tool, then click on add to selection, which is right here. Then just draw a circle with the elliptical marquee tool, then create a new layer. I will be telling you two ways of doing this. First way is to press Alt backspace and color it. After coloring it, go to file, then go to place linked and place an image you want, like I placed this one. You can adjust it later on. Just make sure it's on the top of the document. You need to create a new layer and then on the top place the image, then right click on the image, then click create clipping mask, and here is your image inside of a selection. Remember, it will not display outside of the selection because you created a clipping mask. So the second way of doing this is to just draw a marquee, elliptical marquee, then go to Google and search for anything. Like I pick any picture like this one, copy the image, then just go here and create a new layer. Click on the edit menu, then go to paste special, then click on paste into, and you will see our image will be inside of the circle we just made. So this was my today's video about selections. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.